Hello, folks. Welcome to our first intermediate level of the Python training course. And in this course, we're going to introduce you to a third-party package or library called Pandas. And first of all, uh, Pandas has nothing to do with Panda. Like those are mm, totally two different topics. And Pandas is really used for structured data manipulation. If we're all CPAs and working in finance accounting, so most of the data we work with are structured data. So Pandas is going to be the most useful third-party library you can master today for your day-to-day work. So really make sure you pay full attention to this course series on Pandas. And after you learn how Pandas work, you can almost immediately automate many of your accounting and finance work. So let's get started. Before we can use Pandas, we need to first install it. Pandas is a third-party library, so it's not built in with Python. So let's go to our VS Code and open the terminal. Again, it's to open the terminal, you should just look at the command here and use Control plus backtick. Uh, and for many of you, if you have taken the earlier virtual environment courses, you will see there is a virtual environment folder created earlier. If you haven't done this, please make sure you take that course first because I want to make sure everyone can install the Pandas package in a virtual environment. So if you see this virtual environment folder, but you are not sure whether your virtual environment is activated, you can also run the command basically .venv, which is our virtual environment folder, and slash scripts slash activate. So this way we'll make sure your virtual environment is activated. And with this, we should be ready to install pandas. To install pandas, it's very simple. It's simply a command pip install pandas, and that's really it. And I should already have pandas installed, so that's why in my terminal screen you will see requirements already satisfied. So I don't have to do anything further. So if you haven't installed pandas yet, it will install it now. So once it's installed, basically you have the ability to use Pandas uh, package. And with that, that's created our first Pandas exercise. I will call it Pandas overview .py. And in this, I will paste our simple code from the course. And this course talks about create a simple data frame. I will paste it in here and I will explain what this means. Um, before for any of the Python code, like Python package, for those third-party packages as well as built-in packages, before you can use it, you need to import those packages first. So simply installing it is not enough. So you need to import it first, then you can use it as part of your code. So first we import pandas as PD. If you don't like PD, you can really come up with any name you want, but by convention, PD stands for pandas. And here I have a um, uh, um, uh, like dictionary structure, and in this dictionary structure, I have again the dictionary data structure have key and value, right? So count key has cash, revenue, and expenses, and this value itself is also a list. And same thing with amount. Amount is a key in this dictionary data structure, and its corresponding value is a list, which corresponds to cash value and revenue value and expenses value. So, and the most important data structure within pandas is what we call a data frame. So uh, you can create a data frame directly from this dictionary structure. So the way to do it is I use PD because we already imported pandas as PD. So I don't have to type the entire pandas here. I only need to type PD, and I can use a built-in method called the data frame and converting this, simply converting this dictionary into a data frame within pandas. So later on, we're gonna learn many ways to manipulate data frames. How to add data, how to delete data, and how to do calculations, very complex calculations within the data frame. So for this introduction course, we're simply going to print it out and we'll let you see what a data frame looks like. So with this, let me run this small pandas program we wrote, and this is essentially how it looks. And this is the data frame we just created. It looks very similar to an Excel table, right? So we have some header, account, and amount here, and then we have some cash, revenue, expenses, those records, corresponding records. So this entire thing is called data frame within Pandas. So I hope you like this course, and in the next few courses, please make sure you practice the exercise within your VS Code. Thank you very much.